Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJIHAH binti NORSHAM. My meeting number is 2210222251. So today I will be presenting our Netflix data analysis project focusing on how we process raw Netflix data and transport it into an interactive dashboard. So for our script code, we begin with read the original datasets from this directory, and then we do data cleansing where we convert text-based date added to date format and extract to year or month using NMJ, and then we filter out incomplete records with this command, and then we standardize the inconsistent duration field that makes minutes and seasons, and then we do the data transformation where we extracted year and month information from dates using year and month, and then we use the pass number to pass numerical values from duration, and then we create a categorical duration type for classifying entries as seasons and minutes. And then we do data manipulation by splitting multi-value columns listed in country cars into separate tables using separate rows, and we rename columns for clarify the genre and so on, and then we normalize the data structure by creating properly regulated tables. And then after we run this script code, and then we got these four files, which is Netflix clean, Netflix case, Netflix country, and Netflix genres, where as you can see Netflix cleans, we have all the content, all the single value fields including show ID, title, description, director, date added, release year, rating, duration, clean fields by year added, month added, duration noun, and duration type. And then we have Netflix genre, which is contains genre relationship with show ID as foreign key, title, type, genre. And then we have Netflix country.csv, which is contains country relationship with show ID as foreign key, title, type, and country. And then this is by the case. So move to Power BI data visualization. So we create the dashboard by importing the CSV that we do the data processing before, which is on this file, which is including Netflix cache, Netflix clean, Netflix country, and Netflix genres CSV. And then after we got the data, as you can see on the right side here, so we can view the data. So this is the Netflix clean table, Netflix cache, Netflix country, and Netflix genre. So we begin with constructing the table relationship, where as you can see here in this model view, we construct the relationship between our table as shown in this diagram. So Netflix clean serve as our central fact table, which is connect to another table, which is Netflix cache, Netflix country, and Netflix genre. So for Netflix genre, we have one-to-many relationship with Netflix cleans by connecting the title and the show ID. Netflix country one-to-many relationship to construct to relate the title and the country, and also the type, and then the Netflix cache one-to-many relationship with the cast members and also the title. So constructing the table, we should get the relate among the title and the genre and the country about the Netflix TV shows and movies and construct the Power BI data visualization like this. So I will pass to my another teammates. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nino AZLIN, FAZNI BINTI AZMI. My number matric 221021 Our interactive dashboard that give a clear overview of Netflix content include both movie and show. This is summary metric count of title. We can see that the Netflix has a total of 8,794 titles in this dataset, and the genre, uh, these titles are divided into 44 different genres like action, comedy, drama, and more. For countries, the shows and movie come from 125 countries. The contents type breakdown this pie chart of 2,666 are movies, about 30%, and 6,131 are TV shows, about 70%. This tells us Netflix has more TV shows than movie in the dataset. This chart shows how many shows or movie were released each year. The yellow bars are movies and the orange ones are TV shows. The peak release years were in 2018 and 2019, when Netflix released over 1,000 titles per year. After that, the number dropped possibly due to the COVID-19. Geographical view map, uh, big yellow or orange dot show country with more content. On the right side, we can see a list of countries and the type of content they have, like movie or TV show. For example, countries like Afghanistan, Albania, and Algeria mostly have movies listed here. Title listing at the bottom right, we have a sample list of actual titles from Netflix. This match by country and genre, helping user quickly explore specific type of content. Filtering option, left sidebar. User can filter by type, movie or time show, or select genre like action, classic movies, anime, and more. The conclusion, the dashboard gives a great visual summary of Netflix global content. It helps us understand what kind of content is most popular, where it's coming from, and how it has changed over time. The third part, we continue with my other members.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Jaaffar. Thank you. Today I will Afiq Jufri with Jaaffar, our project, and today I will present to you our project, our I will tell genre about insight. Okay, the topic for our insight. Project is the topic Netflix. For our we will project is learn Netflix a bit about the genre inside of the Netflix. A bit about the genre inside on the left side Netflix. We can search the content info. Here on the left side we can search the content info. We can scroll down and there's a lot of movies or dramas that come from the Netflix. And here I will choose a perfect fit. Okay. Here it will show the title of the movie or the dramas. There's also a little bit of description of content that will tell a little bit about the movies. And here the show ID from the Netflix. The category, it's either movie, dramas, or the TV shows. Okay, this movie, A Perfect Fit, released on 2021. And here the info that the duration of the movie is 113 minutes. The country, this movie is from Indonesia. Also here also provide the info, the director of the movie, and also the cast for the movie. And lastly, here we also provide the genre of the movie, which is here are comedies, dramas, and also international movie. Other than that, we can also see another example, which is airplane movie. This is the description of the movie and the show ID here. The category for this is movie. Release year for this movie is 2020, and also the duration of the movie is 97 minutes. The country that released this movie is in United States, and the director is Cesar Rodriguez. Also, there's a few casts here, and the genre info for this movie is comedies, international movies, and also romantic movies. That's it from me. Thank you.